He had no name, no home, no one who called him theirs. Just a skinny little stray with torn ears and tired eyes, wandering the streets of the city. People passed by him every day. Some kicked him, others threw stones, most just ignored him. But he never barked, never chased, just walked quietly. One rainy night, he curled up under a rusty bench, shivering, and whispered to the stars in his own way, "If no one's coming for me, I'll come for myself." From that day, he followed the garbage man every morning, not for food, but to help. He would pull small bags, chase off rats, and even bark at cars to protect the old man. Soon, the locals noticed. "That's the helping dog," they'd say. People left food near bins, not to throw, but to feed him. One morning, the old man collapsed on the road. People froze. Some pulled out their phones. No one helped. But the dog, he ran, barked, pulled the man's sleeve, nipped at people's ankles. Anything to get their attention. Finally, a shopkeeper followed him, called an ambulance. The old man was saved. The next day, a news headline read, "Stray dog saves man's life." A local shelter took him in, named him Hero. But he wasn't rescued. He rescued himself first. Your story doesn't begin when someone notices you. It begins the moment you decide not to give up. You don't need luck, applause, or pity. Just the courage to take one small step forward every day. Your success is in your hands.